what is ChatGPT Tasks? I'm in my regular ChatGPT interface, and I'm first going to look and make sure that I have the Tasks module. So this model is actually called ChatGPT 4.0 with scheduled task, and it is in beta form right now. At this point, it is just rolling out, and so far it's only available to Plus users. But I'm going to click on this, and you can see that now I'm in the model of ChatGPT Tasks. Let me go backwards and show you why this is going to be so revolutionary. If I'm creating a to-do list for tomorrow, I will take out a sheet of paper and do something like this. Order dog food, work out, look at the weather forecast, plan a trip to Memphis, write a blog post, and go to the grocery store. Some of you may even go one step further and have it on some type of a reminder on your phone. Same thing, remind me to order dog food, work out, weather, plan a trip, write a blog post, go to the grocery store. In the past, it really didn't matter which one of these you used, but let me show you why this is different. When I click into order dog food, it's going to pull back up my message feed, and you'll be able to see order dog food tomorrow at 10 a.m. But look at how this is formatted. The name of the task, order dog food. The instructions, I just want it to remind me to order dog food. Now, when you're putting task in, you can schedule it for daily, weekly, monthly, annually, and this is very important. You can schedule it for the day you want it to occur, and you can schedule it for the time you want to be reminded. This is a simple task. But let's go to a different task. Let's look at this one about writing a blog post. I'm going to click on this, and you'll see rather than just having a name that says remind me to write a blog post tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., I'm giving ChatGPT instructions to do that task for me. I've labeled it as write time management blog post. The instructions are assume you are a time management expert, write a 500-word blog on the impact of having great time management skills and the correlation with happiness. I've now hit save. It's going to save that task. Actually, it's already saved. So it's going to save that task, and at 9:30 tomorrow, it is going to write that blog post for me. Now, I may be the one that's most excited about the use cases that are going to be coming forward with using tasks, because I'm going to give you an example of how I'm going to be using it starting today. I'm working on a course that is called Introduction to ChatGPT, and this is a beginner class. Now, think about time, think about productivity and all the tasks that I have to take to accomplish this goal of creating a live class. So I'm going to say, assume you are an expert in generative AI and you are an instructional designer. I want to create a 90-minute class that is live via Zoom for beginners, and I don't want to use any jargon, any tech jargon. I need you to create a step-by-step launch plan for this humongous project. And then when I'm using ChatGPT, I will often say, for example, course curriculum, student handouts, website page, marketing plan, and so forth. And so when I hit go, ChatGPT is going to do that. But in the past, once I had those pieces broken down, I would have to step by step go and do them myself, or at least remember. And I might get part way down the list and go into something else. But look what it's doing. It is creating a launch plan. It's actually writing the first draft of the course curriculum. It's writing the first draft of the handouts. Wow, this is amazing. It's telling me how to write the landing page. It's creating an outline for the marketing plan. It's giving me a day of execution plan. Let's see what else it does. Success metrics. So it's created all of this. Now, as helpful as this is, and as quickly as it will help me create a class, it is still a lot of work for me to do. Next thing I'm going to ask, write something, is create a table with each of these 6 tasks and break the tasks into day by day micro actions. And what it's going to do is it's going to then take this entire curriculum and it's going to create a table to make this more manageable. So let me continue to scroll down. It's working on it. And it is now adding daily micro actions. So it's clearly broken it down. Day 1, outline the session flow and learning goals. Day 2, write the script for each session segment. Day 3, finalize group activities. Day 4, create slides. Day 5, rehearse. Day 6, review participant engagement tools. And you can see where this is going. By breaking this down, I now have a plan where I can go into ChatGPT and day by day, I can put in a task one at a time that says at 9 a.m. on Monday, outline the session flow and learning goals for this class. And at 9 a.m. Monday, it is going to complete that task. The following day, I can say on day 2 at 9 a.m., draft the script for each segment of that outline. Now, why is that important to do in tasks? Because our brain in that way will have a step-by-step plan that we can follow where we are seeing progression day by day. And instead of trying to do it all at once, we can just take it, review it, and create a product over time. What's going to happen with these tasks is that we're going to be able to learn how to use AI to become our personal assistant. Now that tasks are out, now that we have this functionality, we're going to be able to go directly into, instead of a calendar, into our task format. We're going to be able to look at the tasks that we have coming up. I'm sure that there's going to be a lot more functionality, but we just need to be able to take things one step at a time. Just like this right, and just like this, everything's going to change. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., ChatGPT is going to be a time management expert, and it is going to write a blog post for me. Tomorrow morning at 5 p.m., I will have a workout. Tomorrow at 6 p.m., it will send me the grocery list that I've requested. ChatGPT tasks are going to change everything about how you work in the workplace. We're going to be able to teach AI to understand who we are, what we do for a living, the skill sets that we need. And we're going to bring these generative AI assistants alongside with us, and they are going to help us do our job. So what is the outcome of all this? As you've watched this video, I hope your mind has begun to think through how AI reminders are going to be different than a to-do list, different than something popping up on your phone. We are now moving into what's called agentic framework. An agentic framework is where we have an agent or a helpful assistant that is going to come alongside of us and work with us to accomplish tasks. You're not going to just have one helpful assistant. As we go back to that project of creating the entire class, you're going to have people, little agents that are going to help you. One of them is going to be a curriculum designer. Another one is going to be an expert in creating PowerPoint presentations. Another one is going to be an expert at creating handouts, an expert at marketing. And step by step, task by task, day by day, this software is going to not only help you tell you what to do, it is going to do it with you. I don't believe it's going to replace your wisdom, but I think over the next several months, you're going to have an opportunity to learn step by step how to integrate artificial intelligence into your day. If you like this video, there is a lot more coming. We cannot sit on the sidelines and let these things move by us. We have to be participants learning every day. At 7-Minute Life and with 7-Minute AI, it's going to be important for you to take small steps day by day. So stay tuned with this channel. Sign up for the classes. Get involved, and every day just take one little step forward in your knowledge. But for today, I'd like to ask you to put in the comments below, what did you learn and what one task can you schedule for tomorrow that will take some of that heavy lift off your load? I'm Allyson Lewis. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel. We're so glad you're here, and I'll see you in the next video.